Okay, thank you so much for purchasing our machine. And today I'd like to tell you how to install and operate the machine. And now this one, you can see it is a 6-in-1. And this one is the oxygen and the BIO RF, ultrasound and the cold hammer. Okay, now install. It is the same as this one. So for example, and then you can see this one is 5. So it is same as the connector. It is same. Now you can see this one and this one. And then these are tighten. And also this handle and this one also the same as this one. And this one is the sprayer. Okay. And firstly, just install this one. Install in the tubes. And then this is the rice. Okay. The tube. And install. 你先暂停了，去那。It's okay. Okay, now installation finished, and this one is the drain mean. It means that when this resting water it is in full, so this one for the draining the water. And now we connect the power line and turn on the switch. You can see the screen. And this it has 3 buttons. This button is for the wasting water, and this one is for the clean water. And you also can add some cosmetic products like the face cleansing products. And before operation, we should add water, and the water should be pure water or distilled water. And this one is for the air cycle. It means that you can change out and the oxygen. It is control the oxygen. Yeah. Okay. And you can see the screen. Aqua also this one, the oxygen. Okay, and the BIO lifty. And the RF. Hold on a sec. Install this one. Then you can adjust to 10, but it is according to customer's feeling. And this one is the start. Now you can see BIO, okay, cross and the RF. In the actual sub, this one, cold hammer and the spray. Choose this one is for the spray. Okay. Also. for the Aqua, this handle, oxygen, we have 3 filters, and the filters, it is for the different parts of the face treatment pass. It is according to the treatment pass. Like this one is applied for the nose. Yeah. Okay. Now we start the operation. We start the filters. Take bath. And before the operation, please clean the customer's face. Choose this one. Start. Okay. And you see this one is to change the water cycle.到时候图片该上场了。
上去。记得对一下一切。
先不用发，有水。
就可以了。
快起来。Okay, it is finished. Okay, oxygen like this operation. Operation like this, the same operation. Okay, now we use the sprayer. Use the sprayer. And now this one for the, you can apply some domestic products. Now we test by water. Water, so distilled water or the pure water. And install.
这东西好玩。
Okay, this one is for the big or small object. This one is for to adjust the water cycle. It means that you can choose the small one or the choose the screen. Okay, and you start. This one is adjust the water. Okay. Let's try the face. Oh, fire. Okay, now we choose the RF. And this one for the energy, you can adjust from the 6 and the start. Also the time, all of the operation, the time should be 30. Also for RF and ultrasound, we should apply some cream, the gel, or some cosmetic products. We use the gel. 把单位那里还是漆黑的，没漆的还是漆黑的。Now we choose the RF， 这个也会白的，可以吗 ？The facelift。Now we start the ultrasound. This one. 就是also just for 6.
这个是干嘛？
感觉吗？嗯，有感觉吗？热了是吗？
超声波不是有点热吗？不好意思。
Same operation. Now, the cold hammer. The cold hammer is to for the skin.
去把办公室买。
这是冰的，是冰的吗？
嗯。
Okay, finish. And then the last one, it is the BIO, the last one.
就想起泡。
And the BIR is for the eyebrow base. From and adjust from 4. Okay, stop. 没触电吧？
有诶，后面有一点点。
有电是吧？
嗯。
这样子。Okay. Same operation. Finish. Yeah, finish all of the handles of the patient. It is finished. Okay, thank you. You can see the drain meat, and this one is the wasted water. Now, if you want to it when it is full, use this drain meat. And the dense water it will spill out. Okay. Okay, finish. Thank you.